So we are here to discuss the marketing management principles of the Strong Motors in Katipunan. So at first, we conducted an interview to their OIC, which is Mr. Avioli, to gather some data and information about their marketing management practices. So at first, now let us give some insights on what are the things that they do in their establishment to promote or to introduce their products to their customers. Do you have any insights or your initial thoughts about their marketing strategies? Mine for some insights about their marketing strategies is they use some social media platforms to introduce their products. Of course, it is well-known strategies to promote your products because it can reach easily to your customers. So that's my thoughts, my insights. How about the others?
So for me, my insights are they focus on treating customers well, believing it brings loyalty in return.
How about you, Raya?
For me, the insight is they zero down payments for some units since 2020.
So thank you for sharing your information. So we have four things that we want to learn from the Strong about their marketing management practices. So we have the uses of social media platforms to promote their products. Second is the customer's relationship. Third is the zero down payment. So we only have three things that we are very eager to know about the Strong incorporations. So now let's share what are those things that we want to find out in their marketing management practices. So do you have any ideas or
Facebook promotions?
what about Facebook promotions?
Help them reach a wider audience and maintain consistent visibility.
So we want to know how Facebook help them to reach the customers or how the customer see the establishment or the product. Okay, so as for me, I want to know what are the other marketing strategies that they use aside from platforms, because we don't know if platforms are social media platforms are effective. So I want to know what are those strategies, if it is effective or not. Then
I want to know how the Strong incorporation, what are the challenges they face in customer service side. Very malikayan na there are customers that are diretso lang in decision making. So I want to know na kung saan pag-handle nila ang the way ang mga behavior style of customers.
also you want to know how they face challenges such as the behavior of the customers.
Yes.
Thank you, and move forward to finding out. So when we conducted the interview, we learned so much from the OIC or the office in charge, which is Mr. Avioli. So I'm going to share my knowledge about the interview. So I've learned that they have social media platforms. However, it's not very effective because of the low engagement. So he says that if they boost their social media engagement, especially in Facebook or TikTok, they might reach those customers that are far from the main municipality of Katipunan. So if it becomes effective, there might be a possibility that their sales or the productivity of their establishment or their business might increase. So aside from that, what are your findings?
So I found out that the Strong Motor incorporation is they are strong in customer service because, as what you've said earlier, they are very accommodating when it comes to customers. So I think that is their most or greatest advantage in the marketing. So
For me, studying customer behavior allows them to adjust payment schemes and promotions to customer needs. And what about you, Rhea?
So, for me, their zero down payment promo encourage first-time buyers. And so, if they kanang buyers and kung mag-promo sila, so of course, they attract and maka-boast ang ilang sales since 2023 till now.
We find out that they collaborate other branch not to boost their sales but rather to know the customer's behavior kaya isa po na sa makita nila na the way na maila nila ilang mga customers.
Sum it up, so we found out at first is their marketing strategies, to promote their marketing strategies, which is they use the social media platforms. And second is we study the customer, the behavior of the customers to what again?
To allow them to adjust payment schemes and promotions to customer needs.
Okay, so third is the zero down payment, and fourth is the benchmarking. So let's proceed to what I have learned. So who wants to go first? Who want to discuss their
Ansulaw, do you have any
do you
answers or do you have any idea?
what are your takeaways?
For me, I learned that their focus on trust and customer care makes them competitive in the local motorcycle market.
Okay, so who else? Who else want to share their takeaways?
For me, I learned that The Strong Motors Incorporated uses a simple but effective marketing practices like Facebook ads and flexible payment options.
Okay, so who else want to share?
Yeah.
I've learned that customer service plays a very big role in sustaining business growth.
So, for me, so their promotions such as zero down payment can significantly improve their sales when maintain consistent growth.
As for me, I am very happy to know that aside from, we all know that that the prices are decided with the main branch of the establishment. However, they also adjusted the prices based on the status of their customers. So I think it is very considerate of them to assess the status of the people upon setting the price for the products, because say that the product is a good quality if it has a high prices. So a product with a low prices can also be with a good quality. It depends on how they make the products and how they value them. So that's all. So sum it up na lang lahat ng nangyari natin. So upon ending the interview, we found out that their main customers are the residents of the Katipunan, especially those who live far from the main municipality. Second is, aside from social media platforms, they use tarpaulins to and hang it at the front of their establishment so that people are aware if there are promotions, discounts that they are giving to the customers. Third is, social media platform that they use to promote their products are not quite effective because it has a low engagement on the social media. So fourth is the prices. As I said earlier, the prices are decided by the main branch, but they consider the status of their customers. Fifth is this is their age or their advantage and establishment is they have a very welcoming environment, and they always accommodate the customers regardless of their status, and they have a very high satisfactory rate from the customers. Six is they have this zero down payment so that those first buyer people can afford the product. Seven is they personally gathered feedback from the customers and they use it to improve their marketing management. It is they have for them customers have a very important role in promoting their product because they think that if the customers are satisfied, they tend to promote or they tend to share the information with the other people, so it can boost their sales and their sales in their company. So as per collaboration, they don't do such as caravan to promote their product or any event just to introduce their product to the people. However, they do benchmarking, which is very important to a management or establishment because benchmarking can give you the ideas about the perceptions of the other customers to the other establishment. So it's more like they're sharing information with each other to gain advantage. Then last is one of the challenges that they face in their management is the behavior of some of the customers. Though not all of their customers have a very bad behavior, but they do their best to solve to come up with the solutions on how they face those challenges and make up with the customers who have a who are apparently have a bad experiences for them. And additionally, one of the challenges that they face is the low engagement in social media. So at the end of the interview, they asked us to if we can like their like and follow their page. So
Like and follow.
yes, so let's do it. That's the only thing we can do to repay their kindness for allowing us to interview them. So yes, that's all. So
Laban.
okay, that's all. Thank you.